Okay guys, just playing. Let's get into the video. Today's gonna be talking about the avocado hair mask, and with just all these simple ingredients that I do normally use for my hair when I do apply this mask. And yeah, all of these are really essential for hair growth and everything like that. So the first thing I'd like to do is take my avocado, and this is actually the right way to cut it, is you go around it with the knife and the seed helps to guide you as you're cutting around it. And then once you meet sides evenly on both sides, you want to go ahead and give that avocado just a little bit of a slight twist and it should pop right off. And with a nice fresh avocado, it should look like this. We have no use for that seed, so we're gonna go ahead and just get rid of it. So you wanna take your knife and you wanna stab the seed, give that a slight twist, and it should come out as well. Once you get that out, I do like just to go ahead and kind of like give my avocado just a little bit of a slice, just to put it in my little Hamilton Beach blender I got from Walmart for like 15 bucks. But a thing to keep in mind is it is totally okay if you don't have a blender. Just put the avocado in a bowl and just mash it up with a spoon or anything like that as much as possible, because what you want to do is avoid chunks in that too when you're rinsing that out from your hair. You don't want chunks stuck in your hair. So just a little avocado hair mask hack. But okay, perfect. Then we're just adding the egg next after that. And then just a little spoon of coconut oil. And 1 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil. Now, depending on your hair may need a little or more, but usually up to 3 is good. So then just 1 little spoon of honey I like to use. This is really great for making your hair shine. Honey does such a really great job with the rich antioxidant properties which prevent hair damage from your scalp and produce healthy hair. So we're just gonna go ahead and just add a little bit of a splash of coconut milk as well. This is actually really, really good because this contains lauric acid, which is actually a rare medium like chain fatty acid that is also found in mother's milk. So this is actually like a natural antiseptic that will help with dandruff, skin, infections on your scalp, and like, you know, dryness and then anything like that. So it'll like soften your hair. So definitely use that. But then once we get that all mixed up, it should look like this, and it's a nice, very thick type texture, not too thick, not too runny either. But yeah, so then we're just gonna go ahead and start taking my hair down and putting this in. I am Afro Thunder, people. I am Afro Thunder, so it's a mess. Let's take it out. Okay. So as you can see, my hair is not in the best condition, but so the first thing I like to do is just to get my hair damp. And anytime you're basically applying any type of leave-in, just depending on the product or what it contains, your hair usually absorbs best when it is moist and damp a little bit. Not too wet, but just a little bit to where it could absorb that other moisture you're trying to apply to your hair. So one thing to remember is certain oils too do go on best with dry hair because water and oil separate. So you want to make sure, like even with coconut oil, I add it anyways into my hair mask because I feel it does actually make a difference in my hair a little bit, making it thicker. But like coconut oil is best if you actually apply it to dry hair. That way your strands can soak up that directly because again, the water separates from that oil. So as I'm applying this to my hair as well, you want to make sure you're, because it creates a natural detangler, I go through with my fingers and it just helps me get in there just to detangle that and just comb through with my fingers as I'm applying this avocado mask. And then an important thing is make sure you're getting your dead ends. Very, very important. If you have split ends or anything like that, this is really, really great to do. And I use this as a natural detangler because everything that's in here really does create like a natural detangler. And that way I'm like not having to brush and yank my hair off, but you know. So yeah, next thing is we're gonna apply the bag. And put it over my head. You know, I feel like Megamind, people.
I feel like freaking Megamind.
It's nice, it looks like this, it's silky. It has like this material headband stretch thing. So I got this for Walmart for like, I think it was like $4, less than 5 tops, but I'm gonna put this on my head. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and keep this on for about an hour, and I'm gonna go ahead and rinse it out because this is just the easy way for me. I'm actually going to show you guys my little tool that's handy just in case y'all people do not know. Eyebrow hacks or whatever. I do like just to shave my eyebrows off and not really do anything else. Okay, so now with this, I do like just to use this little tool just to kind of go around my edges for my eyebrows. And so I just like grab the edge, the very tip of it, and if you hold it and you angle it right, it's not like slicing or cutting your skin, you know what I mean? But like it, you know, slides easily and just grabs those hairs. So like just tracing out my eyebrow until the hairs grow back evenly, but yeah. Okay, now I'm just gonna be rinsing this all out of my hair. I do like just to use lukewarm water, not like freezing cold water, not too hot of water either, because that's actually really not great for your hair. But I just like to use lukewarm water and then run my fingers through that. And then I do use the Aussie brand of the shampoo and conditioner, and it's the curl kind, so it's really great for my hair. Honestly, my hair loves this stuff, and it has a really good smell to it. Now that I got that done,
Tequila.